Well, hello and welcome back to AI on the Fly. My name is Ryan Kelly and I am your host. And check this out. The very first question I'm going to answer that I get asked like virtually all the time is SEO dead? Well, here is your TLDR, your too long don't read answer. No, it's not dead. It's just completely evolving into a different thing. The idea of still being found on the top of a search or answer engine is real. How do you get found in the right place at the right time as a business or organization so that you get the conversion, the phone call, the purchase, the booked appointment, whatever your conversion is? So imagine, if you will, Google has been our librarian for a whole, like, decades, 2 decades, right? And we go to our librarian and we say something like, who's the best estate planner near me? I don't know why I thought of that, but that's the one that came to mind right now. And Google, as our librarian, is like, thanks for asking me. Here is your aisle of the library, your search engine result page. Here's the aisle of the library that has all the websites, podcasts, webinars. It has all the white papers, all the reviews. It has everything you need for you to go make your own informed decision. But suddenly now we have AI, answer engines. And we go to that same answer engine and we say, hey, who's the best estate planning attorney near me? And suddenly AI, the answer engine, as a librarian, says, thanks for asking. I've read every website. I've listened to every podcast, watched every webinar, read every review, read every social media post. I have done all the homework for you. And Ryan, here are your answers. Here's who we think are the best people in your area. That's the difference between search engines and answer engines. So then the question becomes, well, what is happening to search engine optimization, SEO, getting found online at the right time when people are searching? It is turning into AIO, artificial intelligence optimization. And here's what's really interesting and sort of unique. A lot of the work that's being done for AIO is SEO. It's like traditional tactics being done. And in future videos, I'm going to break down like what tactics for SEO are still working. I'm going to break down what tactics for AIO are starting to work, how to adapt content marketing, how to decide what to write, how to decide how to write, how to decide when to write, how to decide how to format it so it's more digestible. We're going to talk about digital PR, getting your messaging out properly in the right place, in the right media outlets to get the right high quality third-party links, because popularity still matters. So, is SEO dead? No, it is not dead. It is simply evolving into an entirely different, tactically delivered service that anyone can learn how to do if they know all the right puzzle pieces. So, if you thought this video was helpful, subscribe to my channel, like the video, that'd be cool. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and maybe I can answer your question while I'm on the fly. Until next time, buckle up.